This jug is intended for blending fluids such as fruit or vegetable juices, smoothie, milkshake, baby food, soups, sauce, etc. Install the jug to the motor unit, align the symbol on the motor unit to the symbol on the jug base blade, and turn it in the direction of the lock symbol. Put ingredient into the jug, then add liquid. Don't exceed the max level mark on the jug. Put the lid on the jug. Make sure it is tightly closed. Plug in the blender and press speed control switch.
2,000 years later.
After finish blending, press off and unplug the appliances. Wait until your blender comes to a complete stop before removing the jug. Pour it in the glass. How to use blender to making fruit, vegetable or coffee juice is done. Thank you.